This is a really cheap light bulb. I bought it for about 50 cents. As you can see, it consumes about 3 watts and produces 25 watts of light, or 250 lumens. So I'm going to cut off this part, the light diffuser, because it takes some of the light's power, and I'm going to replace it with a transparent piece of plastic. No, it doesn't say how powerful it is, but it's made in China. Oh, here it is. 3.2 watts, 250 lumens, and it's warm white, 2700 Kelvin. Okay, so let's cut off the plastic somehow. Does it want to fall off? Or do I have to force it or cut it? Nope, it's glued on. So let's see if it loosened. Oh, oh yes. So you can see it's glued. Some siliconic, stupid, flexible glue that it's a bit hard to break. So I'm going to glue a transparent plastic on it, which will protect the electronics but won't block the light. I'm going to use its packaging. It has a piece here that is perfect for its size. Perfect. So I'm going to glue it on, and then once the glue hardens, I will just cut off the excess plastic. Let's see. Okay, that's enough glue. So I'm gonna put it right there and wait for it to harden. I just press it a little because it's not perfectly flat. How many minutes does it say? 10 minutes. I'm not going to wait that long. Hey, 10 minutes. Yes, it says here in German that it will harden in 10 minutes. Okay, well, I'm not going to film that. Okay, it will be perfect.